So what, Dana? That's really a tough one. That's a one tough kick. Where'd you learn to do that?
Never sneak behind a wushu master.
Wushu what? What's wushu? Some kind of a Chinese food or something?
No, that's probably one of the many forms of martial arts in this canon. Watch this.
Hi guys, it's me again, Charms. It's time for another round of hard-kicking action here in Face Off. Come join me in a gang as we take a good look on one of the most famous, most dynamic combat sports in the country.
In 1987, Filipino-Chinese businessmen and sports enthusiasts Francis Chan and Marcelino Ong introduced Wushu to the Philippines. They co-founded the Wushu Federation of the Philippines and turned Wushu officially into Philippine combat sports.
The Wushu Federation of the Philippines. Yes, you've seen Wushu stunts everywhere, from martial arts movies to action-packed television series. And in Wushu, there's always the vicious cycle of sword fights and flying kicks.
Tao Lu is demonstrated on the carpet arena, while the Sun Show matches are fought in the cushioned carpet. The Wushu Federation also keeps a variety of Wushu equipment and weapons. There are two types of swords used in Tao Lu, the broadsword and the straight sword. There is also the wooden cudgel with a sharp blade at the tip. For the Sun Show, there are punching bags, stick bags, breast armors, and helmets.
But Wushu is more than just about sharp blades and powerful strikes. For some, Wushu is a means of relaxation, a meditative sport that unites the mind and the body. Let's go, check it out. Right here with me is one of the coaches of the Wushu Federation of the Philippines, Mr. Gary Cua. Sir, aside from building up the body, how can Wushu develop our mental health?
Sa Wushu kasi, hindi lang kasi more on yung physical na yun. So, pati mental, lalo na pagka, let's say, nagko-cool down, may meditation kami, ganyan. And aside dun sa, the training ng basic, meron kaming routine exercise, tapos may memorization din siya. So, kaya yung, hindi lang more on memorize, pati gawa niya, kailangan i-feel mo. So, doon na-develop yung, yung pagka-Wushu player mo.
Give us some basic stance in Wushu.
Horse stance, we call it Mapu, and Kung Fu, Pupu, Shipu, Shepu, Shipu. Yung mga basic stance niya, so ginagawa namin yan, lalo na pagka-beginner, kasi para tumibay yung legs, imbis na mag-weight sila. Yun lang ginagawa namin for siguro 5 minutes, 10 minutes.
How is Wushu differs from other popular martial arts?
Iba lang siya kasi nga, yun nga, it's a Chinese martial arts, tapos ayun nga, nagiging popular siya because dun sa mga latest movie natin, like yung mga Matrix niyan, yung mga Crouching Tiger. So, ngayon lang niya-appreciate ng mga Pilipino at mga Western viewers. So, siyempre, happy rin kami na nakikilala na dati nga, before, pag sinabi, sports mo, Wushu, tatanong na atin yun. Tapos sasabihin na namin, minsan, para sa may circles ka, wala naman ganun. Pero pag sinabi namin ngayon na Jet Li, naalam na nila kung ano yung issue.
The Wushu Federation of the Philippines had been performing excellently in the Southeast Asian Games and the World Olympics. Among those who had proven
How has
themselves in
Wushu
this
helped
sport
you?
are
And
Peter
what
Quina,
have you-
Rene Calatan, and Janice Hong.
Right here with me is Mr. Rene Catalan, gold medalist of the Wushu Sanshu event in the Doha Asian Games. Hi, sir. How long have you been practicing Wushu?
4 years na.
How has Wushu helped you and what have you learned in the sport?
Ay, malaki. Tapos, sa sarili, respeto at saka disiplina.
Now is Miss Janice Hung of Wushu Federation Philippines and also a Tomasian. Hi, Miss Janice. How did you get involved in Wushu?
It started as a PE when I was in grade 1 and then tuloy-tuloy na.
Ikaw, di ba marami ka nang nasalihan na mga competition? What are the advice na pwede mo bigay mo sa mga aspiring wushu athletes?
Actually, for wushu athletes na gustong-gusto talaga na maging Philippine team, ito lang, sa lahat naman ng sport, the same lang naman eh. You need to have self-discipline. And then, if you really want it, talagang do whatever you can, do your best. And then, especially during training. Kasi alam mo naman kung ano yung kakulangan mo eh. Alam mo naman yung weakness mo. Alam mo naman yung strength mo. Hindi mo naman kailangan wala yung sarili mo na magaling ka dito eh. Just become your strength.
You have any plans joining the competitions?
Right now, we're preparing for the World Wushu Championship, and it will serve as a pre-qualifying competition for the Olympics. And after that, we would join the SEA Games, December 6 yata, I think. Was the first week of December in Thailand. Actually, as a woman, malaki yung naitulong ng wushu sa akin. Because parang dito na rin ako lumaki. Because dito na mold yung character ako as a person. And then, yung number one talaga, as I said, self-discipline. Yung ikaw talaga na self-actualization, na makikilala mo talaga yung sarili mo. Kasi in here, you can never fake people na talagang gumaling ka. Kasi you really need to see to that person na nag-improve ka. Kasi this is a skill. Ina-acquire siya, pinag-aaralan, hindi siya in an instant marunong ka na. Hindi dahil gusto mo, magagawa mo. Kailangan syempre dumaan ka sa rigid training in order for you to be able to achieve your goal. Right now, my priority is to compete. Yeah. Because hindi naman every time, di ba, pwede ka mag-compete, di ba? But with commercial and show business, you can still do that even if you're 30 plus or 40 plus. But within sport, may age talaga yun eh. Na syempre hindi na kaya ng katawan natin, di ba? Na parang 40 plus pa, gagawin mo pa ba siya?
And for those of you who have been wanting to possess that powerful connection between the mind and the body, and to feel how it's like to be a wushu warrior, now is the right time to grab that sword and slash your way to glory. Once again, this is Charms. Join me next time in another featured combat sport here in Face Off.
And you're watching Your Sports TV! It's yours, you know!
What's up, Coach? How you doing?
Honey, kaya mo pa daw na isang round?
Who's asking?
Wala kang katulad, Manny.
Parang San Miguel beer.
For me, this is the best beer.
Oh, straight?